This year, the Barcelona International Boat Show 2026 presents Boutique and SeaMotion, two worlds united by the same passion. Boutique is where elegance, innovation, and life on the water come together. Discover the latest motor yachts, catamarans, and sailboats, along with the equipment and accessories that make every journey something special. SeaMotion is all about adrenaline, freedom, and action. Explore the newest sport boats, water sports, diving, and boating for beginners, plus destinations to inspire your next adventure. In this edition, the show is more experiential, focused on networking and decision-making, with sea trials, a village area, great food, and more space for everything driving today's boating industry. In 2026, boating comes to life in all its forms. Barcelona Salón Náutico 2026, the world of boating, all in one place.